All right, so we're solving extended paper 2 for 2025 math paper that was done this year, May, June. So if you're preparing for next year, you can also make use of this to practice. So if you want the material, I can send it to you. And if you want a one-on-one group, you can also reach out to us. So we want to find the value of 27 raised to power negative 2 over 3. Now the first thing is, this is under indices. So this negative sign is a negative power. So it's going to be a reciprocal first. So that's the first thing you deal with. That will be 1 over 27 raised to power 2 over 3. This is what I will do first. Then I'll check this number. This is 27. Which number will I multiply in 3 places that will give me 27? That's 3. So that will be 1 over 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. So 3 can cancel out with 3. That will be 1 over 3 squared. And 3 squared is what? 9. So that will be 1 over 9. So that's the final answer.